Assalamualaikum. My name is Irfan Hamdi bin Suhaidi. My matrix number is A22B0034. I would like to introduce our members, which is Lim Louis A22A071A, Nur Maizatuna binti Jamil A22A0155, Chan Ki Kai A22A1230, and myself is Irfan Hamdi bin Suhaidi A22B0034, Nur Alia Natasha binti Fikri A22A0750, and Nur Mashita binti Zainal A22A0347. Our lecturer name is Professor Dr. Nur Shida binti Cik Nawi, and our lecture is from L1 and Group 4. So, for the introduction, the Success Tuition Center started by Mr. John 4 years ago with 50 students and 2 teachers. His role of 500 students. Initially, Mr. John recorded transaction and information in physical book, then transactions into using MS Word and MS SL. With the center expansion, he considered purchasing expensive non-product software but was still due to cost and complexity concern. The project objective is to help Mr. John manage paperwork, receipt, and student data efficiency via simple software. Also, as a user-friendly database management system is ideal for this task. It allows easy creation and management of business application without requiring advanced development skills, making it perfect for Mr. John needs.
Hi, my name is Chan Ki Kai and my matrix number is 822A1230. Now we see how we recording and retrieving the student data. Firstly, we create a table form the student that include all the information about them, such as their ID name, gender, number phone, age, email, school name, address, parent name, and also the registration date. Then we put all the information inside this table when it changes into the datasheet. After the table is done, we create a form for the table and active button, inside which include the previous record, the next record, and add record button to make it easier for us to see each student record data. After all these things are done, it will be like this form when it changes into the form. Moving on to the recording student fees and generate fee receipt, the picture above shows data related to the fees of one of the institution student in the data. We can see the previous record and we can also add new record if the student want to add more package. While the picture on the other side it shows the receipt for the fees that the student need to pay.
So, in this slide, it shows the datasheet and data view of the expenses table respectively. In the datasheet view, it can show that he has 5 types of expenses, which are cleaning fee, rental fee for March and April, and salary for March and April. However, this design view also have a 5 types of expenses, which is expenses ID 155, expenses category ID 155, expenses price 155, and expenses date 155. The field names that are used in the expenses table are number, date and time, short text, and currency in data type. So, the image display a Microsoft Access database interface focused on a form titled Expenses Form. This form shows several fields for the data entry and viewing. Expenses ID, which is likely an identifier for the expenses record. Expenses category ID, which categorize the expenses and currently display the number 1 expenses price, showing the amount of 2,000 ringgit, and expenses date set on 24/6/04. At the top of the form, there are navigation button labeled previous record and next record of moving between different records in the database. On the left side, there is a pane labeled all access object, listing the various database elements such as form, report, and macros. Example of lists form include the expenses 155 subform, expenses form 155, and student registration home 155. Some of the report lists are fee receipt 155 and profit and loss 155. While Microsoft includes Microsoft Delete Sale 155, the top menu bar features standard Microsoft Access options like File, Home, Create, External Data, Database Tool, and Help, along the button for action like saving, navigation, record, and text formatting. This setup is designed for facilitate the management and entry expenses record within the database.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Rahmadatul Hussan binti Cik Amin. My matrix number is A2280145. I will continue my group presentation for question number 4. A report showing total income by package. First, you have to create a query with the fee and tuition package table. Firstly, we have to add the tuition package name from tuition package and fee amount from fee table into the query grid. Next, we have to click the total button to enable the aggregation. Set total for tuition package name to group by and sum for fee amount. Next, we have to save and run the query. First, you have to save the query as for the name total income by package query, and then we have to run the query to see the result of the total income by package. As you can see in this slide, which is the datasheet view for the total income by package and also design view of total income by package. Here we can see the final report of total income by package by our D Success Tuition Center. As you can see, the report illustrates the total income from our packages such as UPSR, PT3, SPM, and STPM package. From the report, it shows that UPSR is the most popular package in our D Success Tuition Center with a total amount of RM300, followed by the other three, which is PT3, SPM, and STPM package with the same total amount of RM180. So that's all for my part. I will pass for the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Rameshta binti Zainal. My number mental is A228047. Today I will be presenting a report showing total income by school. Creating a report in Microsoft Access to show total income by school involves several clear steps. First, we ensure database tables are correctly set up. Next, create query to calculate total income by school. Next, generate a report based on this query. The process involves viewing in query in both design view and datasheet view to ensure currency before finalizing report. The report shows the total income by different schools, including SMKUT, SMKST, SKST, and SKSB. It revealed that all schools share the same total income amount, RM7,560. That's it from me. I will pass for the next presenter.
Good morning, madam. My name is Lindui. My matric number is A2280718. Today, I want to discuss about question number 6, which is a report total expenses by expenses category. This is the data sheet view and design view of the query expenses category 155 in our Microsoft Access. This query is from the largest amount to the smallest amount. The largest amount is salaries, which is 200,000. Secondly is insurance, which is 50,000. Thirdly is utilities, which is 6,000. And the smallest amount is rent, which is 1,000. This is the data sheet view and design view of total expenses by expenses category 155 in our Microsoft Access. The amount also from the largest to the smallest. The largest amount is salary, which is 2,000. Secondly is utilities. The amount of the utilities is 1,500. Thirdly, the amount of rent is 1,000. Lastly, the smallest amount is insurance, which is 500. This is the data sheet view and design view of the total expenses category report. Now, I will give to the other group members to continue present. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Alia Natasha binti Muhammad Fikri. My matric number A22A0750. Now, I want to continue about a simple profit and loss report showing total income and expenses by month. This is the design view about query profit and loss. For month in April, for income we get RM1730. For May, we got RM860. And June, we got RM1030. For expenses, in April, we got RM500. In June, we got 200 ringgit, and in May we got 2500 ringgit. And the last one, net profit. In April we got 1230 ringgit. In June we got negative 970 ringgit, and in May we got 1640 ringgit. Next, this is the design view about query sum profit and loss. For query sum profit and loss, in income we get 3620 ringgit. For expense we got 5000 ringgit, and next profit we got negative 1380 ringgit. For the last one, we make profit and loss dashboard form, and we make business dashboard profit and loss report. So this is the sample for our group.
So last but not least is conclusion. In conclusion, Microsoft Access is an idea for turning raw data into the valuable information due to the robust data mining function and user-friendly database management capability. This assignment highlighted how technology enhances business efficiency and productivity. Information technology adds commercial growth, shorten revenue cycle, and provide electronic security, data storage, and effective communication. For this success center, Microsoft Access enabled efficient categorization of data into table, query, form, and reports. This system allows Mr. John to easily manage student information, sales, expenses, and calculate profit and loss, streamlining overall business operation. Thank you.